It's the moment me know something not trouble you. I have been a ride me and a hike me and me a go like something know say you. And the moment you feel like say you can't come and tap me, now go work, you know. And your heart, you know, take out your...
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the no, play the song.
People with sense, people with common sense. Well, look, not even subject, common. So look and say, you know, say. No go so city D. Them look and say city D. They must look and say, but I don't think that go so. That not so like that, right? And the mascot either people say, yeah, so gonna me no business with them. But uno can't touch my ego.
I want him.
Uno can't touch my ego. No care what no one do. Yes, charge how it go. Me I beg you one wheel. Uno can't touch my ego. I don't care what I'm living or where. None of you can't touch my ego. None of you can ramp with me. You understand? None of you can touch me ego. None of you can ramp with me. Cause me not mad over people, you know, me just literally mad. Me can be nice. Be that nice, loving person where for your real me will die at, me will go extra mile with you. But when it's a different ceremony, I would ask this. What is that? It's about brands. Some people are in a people business, how it went, how it go. And the internet is not for it. It's when me I go to school, and I make girl beat me now. When me I go to school, I make girl beat me. I'm me a warrior for me I go to school. I grow up very defensive. Because here I tell myself, me rather 6 man try me more than 6 man carry me. So I grow up very defensive. Very defensive. See, sure no, you so can't tell me I go to school, me not play, no girl no ramp with me. When me I go to Vax call, no girl. None no ramp with me. None. When me I go to Vax call, that girl could have said, she be gonna shape body a lie tell. Lie tell. Lie. Well, you know, let me just say, 2 people big, 2 other people, you know, look like when I'm big, when I could walk and tease them. Me not run them, they joke them when me I go to school. No girl no walk and tease me, none. No girl no walk and tease me when me I go to school, none. None. Now ask me how much can you not birth me. No girl no walk and tease me when me I go to school, none. I swear my brains freeze out with cold like ice. And when me a plan things, me worse than the devil. Me worse than the devil. So you don't make me plan nothing for you or plan nothing about you because it's not good nice. When me a go to school, how this? And are you one man? When me a go to school, girl no beat me. You mad? Which girl beat me when me I go to school? No girl no beat me. None. None. I when me I go to school, no girl no beat none of my friend them neither. None. Remember one day, me I come from school. Me and 2 girls a fight one time. 2 girls me a fight one time. 2. What? Yeah. Me not have $100. Excuse me. 2 girls me a war one time. Me a war 2 of them. I saw me grab one, I saw me lick one, I saw me pitch one over there, so I saw me grab the other one, I lick her and pitch her. Every girl me grab my pitch. Every girl me grab my pitch over there, so I saw me grab one, I saw me lick one, I saw me pitch one over there, so. Maloretta mute them both Fabi. Maloretta mute them we are combo Fabi. Mute them we are combo Fabi. Mute them. I don't want to hear about Fabi. Maloretta mute them both Fabi. Me no walk on fast with people. Me no want to pro business. Life is just for living. And when me a go to school, no girl no beat me. I say me big and old, you have to think twice. Because my reprisal is very dangerous. That's why I don't like to in an altercation with nobody. My reprisal is very dangerous. I don't like to in no argument with nobody. I try to keep myself to myself. When me start come here, so I may realize the friend that I have, some of them I don't need to keep them anymore because I'm a bad energy. I start to draw myself from people. Because some people don't like see you with things. If some of them picnic the day or so, or some of them family day or so, them would not go on so but try you. If them picnic the day so them not bring down them picnic. And if them family there so them not bring down them family, but try you. Try you. Me grow defensive. Me not back down so easy. Me not give up. You don't come here, come look for me and think say in a real life, me is a soft soap. It's the moment me know so me not trouble you. I have been a ride me and a hug me and me a go like say me know say you. And the moment you feel like say you can't come attack me, it not go work, you know. And your heart, you know, take out you don't even know, so you take out your heart. Me no have no ambition, baby. Me no want have no ambition. Me no want have no ambition. Sometimes I need that. Yes, I want careless. Sometimes I need that. But still I win. Me no want have no ambition, I want improvement. For me, see when me improve in a life, me good. Me no want have ambition. Because some of us are very ambitious and we have too much we can't sell, some of us still not done away. I want improve in a life. Some of us we have ambition and we have so much we can't sell it and we still not done away. Oh, me have ambition, it's a word. It's just a word. Oh, me have ambition in a life. I'm very ambitious. It's only a word that you use. Me no want have no ambition, darling. I want improve my life. Like how I couldn't buy food and I couldn't buy clothes. I know I can buy food. I know I can buy clothes. That's improvement. That means I'm a go-getter. Me no have no ambition. It's a word. And a motto. Some have too much ambition, you can sell some. And still not in a way. Why you need to come and I'm an ambitious people. I am a improved individual. Me improve my life. Me I come from downtown days. And the stall selling peanut till me can come on internet. Me can there so me can own platform. Me can make slang people run with it. People can see me and say, okay then. Sorry. Okay then. Let us do an interview. Let us do a show. Me want book you for a music video. Okay then me I start out my wig business. Me I start out my wig business. Me want to be the first. Me want you to be the first person to wear the big. Me want to be the first ambassador. You have to start from somewhere. Someone who know ambition I can't spell it, but you're not improving a life. Come here, you type here too much. Because when you tell me say I don't have the ambition and I kill it, I tell me say go learn English. Go on, yeah. Go on. Into where you want be. You don't know what I talk about. Come here. You're there too long type and I not say I put nothing. Someone have too much ambition. Nothing at all doesn't determine me in a life. Nothing at all. Because I want him to tell the 2,000 people over here so you can rise out of the ashes like a phoenix. And the ambition cell. The key thing in life never to give up. You not give up. You not give up. You're mad out, you gotta rehab, you come back, you pick up your pieces. You can't come from days mad dirty. You can't come from mad dirty insane days. And when you pick up back your traces and you pick up back your pieces in life, you can't believe I you that. Fam, you have a dream and you have a goal. Fam, you have a dream and you have a goal. And you say, okay, this is what I want in life. And no matter what it takes, I eat me and go for that you want. Someone who have ambition, sell some. Not even the richest of the man in my own business now walk, but I have ambition, no, I have my business. And if I don't market properly, it will crash. Or if you have ambition and do have the key to success in a life, and are two words are joined together. Ambition and success. When you come tell me I have I don't want have no ambition, I want to improve. Me not preach. Cause the last man over here, somebody over here we are preach to about God. About God. The last man over here we are preach to about God. I tell uno about God and I prophesy about God. Come over and class people. No type preach, so go over Shiba go type preach. I am alone come preach to me, not preach to nobody. Me I tell you all the way I see life, me don't know about someone uno. You understand? So at the end of the day, in life, let me look at that person here. Because when you think your type can't affect me. No time. It doesn't affect me physically, emotionally, or mentally. You know what? You know all I want to talk about. That's a come to your picnic. And this a come to your picnic. Where God push emotion that me I work with. Don't worry about my child, worry about phone on. Don't worry about my kids, worry about phone on. Worry about phone own. Worry about phone own. Worry about phone one on a family member.